Friends, I am standing in front of you to deliver a lecture on the topic Indo-US relation. For the better understanding, I divided my topic in three parts. First one is historical relation, second one is cooperation, and third, my conclusion. Now come to the historical relation. In the Cold War era, there were two power major blocs. First one, US lead NATO, and the second one is USSR. After the independence, India decided to remain with USA and USSR for the Food and the Development Fund. In the 1962 Indo-China War, Kennedy had fully supported to India, but in the 1965 and 1971 Pak War, Nixon had supported Pakistan by providing military equipments. In the year of 1980, USA provided the nuclear equipments to the India, but the relations were again deteriorated while conducting the Pokhran nuclear test after the disintegration of USSR. After the 9/11 attack on World Trade Center, USA formed good relation with India. In the year of 2008, Indo-US nuclear deal was signed, also known as 123 agreement. Now come to the cooperation. First one is defense cooperation. Over the decades, both the countries conducting joint exercise include Yudh 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 Yuddhabhyas, Vajra Prahar, and Malabar. In the year of 2014, India is the largest importer of defense equipment from USA, includes M777, Chinook heavy lift helicopter, and UAVs, etc. Both the countries are also part of Quad Group. Recently, India purchased the MH-60 Romeo from the USA. Now come to the economic cooperation. Uh, USA is also the second largest trading partner of India. Import textiles, diamond, iron, tea, and coffee, and etc. Due to more consumption by them, it creating job in both countries. Indian students enrolled to the USA university and colleges. Now why is India strategic partner of USA? First one is to restrict the China's growing economic and military influence, and second one is to restrict the influence of jihadist ideology. Now come to the recent developments. During the COVID-19 pandemic, both countries support to each other, and after the abrogation of article 370, USA support to India. Now come to the conclusion. Due to the growing relation closer to the USA of India, the relation between Russia and India are not closer as they were earlier. So India should maintain balance between the USA and the Russia, because Russia is also a major supporter to India. Thank you.